Welcome to Mommy and Kids. Maths activities for preschoolers addition multiplication.
Start.
Multiplication activity.
Match. 2 nines are match. 2 six are match. 2 threes are 2 fours are match. And 2 sevens are match. 2 fives are and 2 tens are 2 eights are. Good job. Okay, now
Addition activity.
3 plus 2 is? Okay. Good job. Now 4 plus 0. Okay, put it in the glass. Good job. Now 6 plus 0 is? Okay, put it in the glass. Yes. Good job. Now take another one. That is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is? 4 plus 2. Put it in the glass. Yes. Now take another stick. 8 plus 0. What is the answer? Put it in the glass. 8. Good job. Now pick another stick. Okay. 5 plus 0 is? Put it in the glass. Good job. Now pick another stick. Any of the stick? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is? When you add 1 in 3, what you get? Yes, put it in the glass. Good. Now take another stick. 4 plus 1. When you add 1 in 4, what you get? Okay, put it in the glass. 5. 7 plus 1 is? Okay. Now another one is? Now which is the next stick? 5 plus 1. When you add 1 in the 5, what you get? Okay. Put it in the glass. Okay. Pick up another stick. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is?
Thank you for watching.